Beaufort County in eastern North Carolina until 4:15 p.m. At 3:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Roundtree, or near Winterville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Winterville, Haven, Belle Arthur, Shelmerdine, Tactilus, Blackjack, Roundtree, East Carolina University, Dowdy-Ficklen Stadium, Pitt Greenville Airport, Glamesland, and Simpson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service Office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Beaufort, Greene, and Pitt.